Okay, everybody, just a quick one. I make myself a search arrestor box here. Remember my video with the search arresters? I put two in a box here, just a normally enclosure. Then I made a hole in the side here, and just a short plug in with the wires. You can see the wires here. There's your ground and common together, and there's your live and neutral. And then you just plug them in here. Put them in there, and you close the lid. And then you're just gonna go and you plug it in your 220 outlet, maybe one in each side of the house, and then it will protect your equipment. Thank you. I hope this will help. Maybe you can make yourself one. Just I'm gonna put a cable tie in the end there to stop it. I normally make a knot inside there, just a knot with a cable so that you can't pull out, and that's it. Yeah, you can screw it in open once a year, check if it's still green, if it's still alright. But I guess if it works, maybe it will trip the power or something. Okay, that's it. You just close it, and there you have yourself a search arrestor protector. Thank you and bye.